Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup exports to YouTube using scheduled automated routines. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your computer and ensuring you have a reliable internet connection. Download and install a backup software that supports scheduled tasks such as Backblaze, Acronis TrueImage, or EaseUS to do backup. Launch the backup software and create a new backup plan. Select the folder where your YouTube exports are saved. This is typically located in your Documents or Videos folder, depending on your editing software. Choose the destination where you want to save your backup. You can select an external hard drive, a cloud storage service, or a network drive. Configure the backup options according to your preferences. These options may include file compression, encryption, and file filtering. Set up a schedule for automatic backups. Choose a frequency that suits your needs, such as daily, weekly, or monthly. Specify the time of day you prefer the backup to occur. Enable notifications to keep track of backup completion or errors. Review all settings to ensure everything is configured correctly. Save the backup plan and initiate your first backup manually to test the process. Once satisfied, monitor the initial automatic backup to verify it runs smoothly. Check the backup history regularly to ensure no issues arise. Consider additional redundancy by manually backing up your exports periodically as a precaution. Stay informed about updates and new features of the backup software to optimize your routine. That's it. Your YouTube exports are now set to backup automatically on your preferred schedule. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.